Are you considering FoxVPN, but unsure if it's the right fit for your needs? There are a few things you need to know before buying it, especially when comparing it to competitors in the VPN space. Let's dive into what you should expect. The first thing to note is the pricing structure. FoxVPN is competitively priced, but it's not the cheapest. Compared to budget VPNs like Proton VPN or Windscribe, FoxVPN can seem a bit more expensive. That being said, its pricing does come with some solid features, so it's about balancing what you're willing to pay for the services you'll get. Next thing to consider is speed. FoxVPN generally provides decent speeds, but there are mixed reviews on this front. While it's good for everyday browsing and streaming, you might notice slowdowns during peak hours or when connecting to far-off servers. In comparison, VPNs like NordVPN and ExpressVPN are known for their fast, consistent speeds, making them a better choice if performance is your top priority. The third thing you should be aware of is the server network. FoxVPN has servers in over 40 countries, which covers most locations you'd need. However, it's not as expansive as some competitors like CyberGhost or ExpressVPN, which offer servers in 90-plus countries. If global server coverage is important to you, there are other options that could provide more locations to choose from. The fourth thing is security. FoxVPN uses AES 256-bit encryption, which is top-notch, ensuring your data stays protected. It also supports protocols like OpenVPN, IKEv2, and WireGuard, which are reliable and secure. While this puts FoxVPN on par with many high-end VPNs, it doesn't quite match the security suite of competitors like NordVPN, which offers extra features like double VPN. Next, let's talk about ease of use. FoxVPN has a straightforward interface, making it easy to use for beginners. But if you're looking for something with more customization options or advanced settings, you might find FoxVPN a bit limiting compared to something like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost. The sixth thing is streaming. FoxVPN works with most major streaming services like Netflix and Hulu, but the experience isn't always seamless. You might encounter occasional geo-blocking issues, something that premium VPNs like ExpressVPN tend to handle better with specialized servers for streaming. Another thing to keep in mind is device compatibility. FoxVPN works on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, which covers most devices. However, if you want to set up a VPN on your router, it can be a bit more complex compared to the easy setup options that NordVPN and CyberGhost offer for routers. The eighth thing is customer support. FoxVPN offers 24/7 live chat support, which is a great feature. However, responses can be slow at times, and some users report that the answers provided aren't as helpful as they'd like. In comparison, ExpressVPN has earned praise for its fast and knowledgeable support team. The ninth thing is the kill switch feature. FoxVPN includes a kill switch, which disconnects you from the internet if the VPN connection drops, ensuring your data stays protected. While this is a crucial security feature, some VPNs like NordVPN offer additional features like an automatic kill switch and more detailed controls. Next, let's talk about the no logs policy. FoxVPN has a strict no logs policy, meaning they don't store your browsing data. This is a crucial feature for privacy-conscious users. However, if you're looking for a VPN that has been audited and proven to be no logs, some competitors like ExpressVPN have undergone independent audits for extra peace of mind. The 11th thing is the free trial. FoxVPN offers a 7-day free trial, which is pretty standard but not as generous as some other VPNs that offer a 30-day risk-free guarantee. If you're unsure whether it's the right choice, this short trial might leave you wanting more before you commit. Lastly, we should talk about the performance on torrenting. FoxVPN supports torrenting, but speed and reliability can vary depending on the server you're using. It's not the best for P2P file sharing when compared to VPNs like CyberGhost, which is specifically optimized for torrenting. Overall, FoxVPN is a decent option with a solid set of features, especially for general browsing and streaming. However, if you're looking for a VPN with faster speeds, a wider